This YouTube channel makes thousands of dollars every month with YouTube automation, and guess what? They're using 100% free AI tools for everything. Voiceovers, editing, even thumbnails. And the best part? Even if you have zero skills or experience, you can do the exact same thing. All you need to do is watch this video till the end. Step 1. Finding a niche. For that, I will go to ChatGPT and ask for top 10 most profitable, high RPM, faceless niches. As you can see, it has recommended several niches such as finance, business, real estate, tech, and online courses, along with their high RPMs. Among these, I find the 8th idea, health and wellness, the best. So, I will go with this niche. Step 2. Branding. Before creating a new YouTube channel, let's get a name, logo, banner, and a simple channel description. Once again, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask for a name for a health and medical advice YouTube channel. It will suggest several options, and you can pick your favorite. I like the name Lifeline Insights. But before using it, I need to check if it's available. For this, I will search Lifeline Insights on YouTube and filter the results by channels. As you can see, only one channels exist with this name, so I can easily rank with this name. I already created a new channel and name it Lifeline Insights. Now, our channel is ready, and we just need to customize it. First, we need to design a logo. If you have an idea, great. Otherwise, AI can do this for us. I will ask ChatGPT to give me some logo ideas for Lifeline Insights YouTube channel. As you can see, it suggests many cool ideas. These are all perfect for a health and medical advice channel. I like the first concept. To create the logo, there are many AI tools available, such as Leonardo and Adobe. I will use Leonardo. I will ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt based on the first concept, so I can create the logo in Leonardo AI. Copy that prompt. Now, open Leonardo AI and go to Image Creation section. Paste the prompt here and click Generate. As you can see, Leonardo has generated some amazing logos. I like the last one, so I will download it. For channel banner, again, go to ChatGPT and ask for prompt to generate banner for my channel. Copy it and generate a banner using Leonardo AI. Now, I will simply ask ChatGPT to write a short and simple channel description for Health and Medical Advice YouTube channel. It will generate a description, which we can then use. Now let's upload our banner, then logo, and the description. Now, all that is left is content. Step 3, scripting. Now, let's move on to video creation. Let's ask video titles from ChatGPT. I like the first video idea, 10 everyday habits that are secretly harming your health. I'll now show you how to create a complete video on this topic using AI tools. This is the most important part of the process, and many creators make mistakes here. If we ask ChatGPT to write a script, most people would give a basic prompt like, write a YouTube script on 10 everyday habits that are secretly harming your health. While this isn't wrong, a simple prompt like this won't generate a script that competes with professional YouTubers. Plus, it will sound robotic, making it obvious that AI wrote it. To solve this problem, we will use a set of special instructions to take our script to the next level. When you see the results, you won't believe AI wrote the script. Let's go step by step. 1. Video length. Specify how long the video should be. I want my video to be 10 minutes long, so I will tell ChatGPT to write about 90 seconds per point. 2. Audience demographics. Define your target audience. For example, I can specify that my audience is 18 to 50-year-olds in the US. 3. Audience persona. Describe your ideal viewer's desires and pain points. For example, my audience consists of 18 to 50-year-olds in the US who want to be fit and live a healthy lifestyle. 4th tone. Specify whether the script should be casual, humorous, inspirational, or authoritative. Since this is a health channel, I will choose a professional yet approachable tone. 5. Storytelling framework. There are many storytelling frameworks like the hero's journey, 3-act structure, or problem solution. You can specify which one to use in your script. 6. Emotional triggers. Engaging videos trigger emotions like fear, excitement, or urgency. I will tell ChatGPT to incorporate these elements. 7. Retention tactics. To maintain audience retention, I will instruct ChatGPT to include a strong intro hook, pattern interrupts to keep the audience engaged, and smooth transitions between points. You can also add a cliffhanger to encourage viewers to watch until the end. 8. Call to action. CTA. At the end of the video, I want viewers to watch another video on transform your body with this easy daily routine. Once all these instructions are included, I will enter the prompt and ChatGPT will generate a script. Just by reading the first few lines, you can see how strong the intro hook is. Step 4. Voiceover. For voiceovers, there are many free and paid AI tools available. One of the best is 11 Labs. To generate a voiceover, we simply copy our script, go to 11 Labs website, and paste it into their text-to-speech tool. Note that you can only generate up to 5,000 characters at a time, so longer scripts need to be broken into parts. Next, we select a voice. You can listen to samples and choose the best one for your video. I will select Adam, because it fits the tone I want for health and medical advice. Generate it and download the voiceover. Step 5. Video editing. Once your AI-generated voiceover is ready, you can import it into any video editor. Now, let's move to ChatGPT and tell it that we are making a faceless video. We need a visual for each paragraph of our script. I'll paste each paragraph of my script one by one, and ChatGPT will generate a prompt that I can use to create visuals with AI. You can see that ChatGPT is ready to provide image prompts. Simply copy the first line or paragraph of your script, paste it into ChatGPT, and there we go. We have our first image prompt. We will continue copying lines from the script, pasting them into ChatGPT, and it will keep giving us image prompts. Generating these images is also very simple. Copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Make sure to set it to 16:9 since we need these images as YouTube scene visuals. You can see that the AI generated an image exactly as per the prompt we provided. In same way, you create other images too. Once we have all the images, we will import them into our video editing timeline in the correct order and manually sync them with the voiceover. This is where you can use your creativity to edit the video, adding transitions, effects, and other enhancements. First, I'll add a simple blur fade transition between the images. Now, we also need to add subtitles to the entire video. Make sure the subtitles are timed perfectly to match the voiceover for maximum viewer retention. However, it still looks boring because there's no movement. So, I'll use keyframes to add a zoom effect to the images, which makes it look much better. So finally, our entire video is ready. Let's take a final look at the result.
You think you're healthy? Think again. These 10 habits are silently wrecking your body every single day, and you don't even realize it. Stick around.
Before we upload this video to the Lifeline Insights channel, we'll visit ChatGPT one last time. We'll ask it for 10 different thumbnail ideas and a prompt so we can generate those thumbnails using an AI image generator. I have provided all the prompts in my description. I like the fourth idea: before and after health decline. So, I'll copy the prompt and open vidIQ where we can generate thumbnails. Paste the prompt that ChatGPT provided and create. Alright, it created 3 thumbnails. Not bad either. I prefer the first one, but we have to insert some text in order to make it catchy. Let's download that and then upload to Canva. I like this design, so I'm just going to use it for my thumbnail. Let's place 10 on top, habits affecting in between, and your health. Let's center the text. Also, put now and before in both corners. Our thumbnail is ready, and it looks fantastic now. Let's go ahead and download it. If you've made it this far, comment, "YouTube is fun." Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, set the notification bell to all, and leave a comment.